Right now, the world sentiment score is showing a notable increase of plus 0.06, with a momentum of plus 0.70, which is quite unusual compared to our historical baseline. This spike suggests a sudden shift in collective sentiment, potentially driven by significant global events or trends. Our API delivers detailed sentiment insights, including semantic clusters, to help you understand the underlying themes driving this change. This means you can dive deeper into context, filtering by relevant topics that matter to you. Imagine using this data to enhance your trading algorithms or refine your content strategies. By tapping into this immediate sentiment shift, you can seize opportunities that others might miss. For more on leveraging this data effectively, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.